My husband brought me to Hallelujah Ministries, but he was introduced to Hallelujah Ministries by my in-laws, Mr. and Mrs. Sia. They are the one who introduced us to Hallelujah Ministries. I've been coming to Hallelujah Ministries since 2011, so I decided to join the choir. I said it's better I do something for God, since I know I need something from Him. I should serve Him so that when I'm serving Him, He's gonna bless me in return. So I joined the choir, and then I started trusting in God, and I started paying my tithe full time. Like I told God, this time I'm gonna be faithful. I will pay my tithe. I will be on time. Even if I'm tired, I want you to wake me up and remind me of your word. It happened on a Friday. I came to church, and Mama Celeste, our mother of the house, she was preaching about Anna, who desperately needed a child. And she said she was like a mad woman asking God to open her womb. And everyone was looking at her. But the day she was giving the message, I don't know if she noticed me, but I felt that presence. Like I was touched. And I just knew that word it was for me. I said, God, this message is for me. This time you are not going to pass me by. So I left. I went home to my husband. I told him, I said, baby, today something happened. He was like, what happened? I said, no, today Mama Celeste gave me a prophecy. I actually told him that she prayed for me, that today my womb has been open. I accepted the word, and I believe that particular time I told myself, this word is mine. I'm not going to allow it to escape me. And then when I told my husband, he was laughing. He said, oh, okay. Then I waited, and then on Saturday night, I got on my knees to pray. I said, God, I thank you for your word. From the woman of God, she's spoken in my life, and I'm grateful. And then I said, God, Sunday, I need your confirmation. I said, I need your confirmation no matter how. I want you to just show me a sign that my womb has been open. Then on Sunday when I came to church, while Pastor was praying, he said, there's a lady here. God has opened her womb. And then when he said God has opened her womb, I said, like, I was so shocked. I said, Jesus, so you've done it for me. I was happy. And then when I got home, I was dancing. I remember the whole night, even my husband was like, are you not going to rest? Like I was dancing. I felt so relieved. I said, God has done it for me because He have already shown me the confirmation. So I don't have to doubt anymore. And then the following week, I went to work. I started vomiting.
One week.
Yes.
1 week after the word.
1 week after the word, I started vomiting, and then I was like, this vomiting stuff is not part of me. I said, maybe it's just malaria or fever. So I will go and see the doctor. But then I called my husband to come and fetch me from work. I said, can you please come and fetch me? He fetched me. He's like, what's wrong with you? I said, I'm not feeling well. It's like I'm feeling sick. Then I told him I slept that afternoon, and then I said, babes, when you're coming back, can you please buy me a pregnancy test to test? And he was like, we always buy that. Then I said, no, I need you to buy it this time. And then he bought it. But the shocking thing was, it was so early. And early in the morning when I woke up, I tested, the 2 lines appear.
Glory.
And then I started shaking. Like, I said, no, what's going on? I said, maybe it's just, maybe I didn't do it nicely or something. Then I look at the pregnancy test, and then something told me that God has already given it to you. Why are you still asking? Then I said, okay. Then I went to my husband. I said, wake up. Can you see this? He's like, what is that? I said, it's 2 lines. He said, meaning what? I said, meaning I'm pregnant. And he was like, okay, let's wait and see. But I could see he was doubting, like he wasn't sure. He was waiting to see. And as the month went by, my stomach started growing.
And we can see the results.